Mag-exercise 30 minutes a day.
Bakit kailangan mag-exercise?
I'm young, strong, and active naman eh.
I'm not fat kaya I don't need it.
No time.
Di ba mahal?
Yuck! Ayoko maging buff.
Anong klaseng exercise?
Hirap mag-start.
Hold it. Bago umangal, laruhin muna natin ang bawat issue nyo about exercise.
Bakit kailangan mag-exercise?
Importante ang exercise para ma-maintain ang tamang body weight. Paano? First, let me talk about calories. Ang calories ay measure of energy na ginagamit na fuel ng katawan. Ang source ng calories ay pagkain. Kung marami ka kumain, maraming calories ang pumapasok sa katawan mo. Kung di mo magamit lahat dahil di ka naman physically active, nasustore sila as body fat. Dito pumapasok ang importance ng exercise kasi tumutulong itong i-burn ang excess calories para may energy balance ang katawan mo.
I'm young, strong, and active naman eh.
Aminin, sa panahon ngayon, ganito tayo. Bakit maglalakad kung may tricycle naman? Why play street games when there are computer games? Hindi na tayo physically active mga guys. Kaya padami ng padami ang cases ng high blood pressure, heart problems at diabetes. Tingin natin mga pang-oldies na sakit pero its development starts while you're young. Lalo na kung may family history, hindi physically active, o hindi kumakain ng tama.
I'm not fat kaya I don't need it.
Di lang pampapayat ang exercise. Marami pang benefits to. Gaya ng when you exercise, maayos ang circulation ng blood sa buong katawan. It nourishes your heart, brain, tissues, organs, and skin with oxygen. O tandaan niyo yan, may quiz mamaya. Kaya you have that healthy glow. Uy, you become mentally alert, and your brain is flooded with hormones that make you feel generally happy. Lols.
No time, no money.
Ayoko maging buff.
Di kailangan mag-enroll sa gym para mag-exercise. Di rin to limited sa pagpapalaki ng muscles o pag-develop ng abs. Ang importante, you engage in a physical activity for at least 30 minutes every day. Maraming activities pwedeng gawin bilang daily exercise mo. Here are some examples with matching calories burned.
Ang hirap mag-start.
Huwag kang ma-stress. Di mo naman kailangan sumabak agad sa aerobics, marathon, o gym. As a start, pwede mong dalasan ng paglilinis bahay, paghahagdan kaysa sa pag-e-escalator sa mall, pag-iikot-ikot sa barangay, o pagbabasketball. Habang binabawasan naman ang laging pag-upo, panonood ng TV, pagtutok sa computer, at cellphone. Para ganahan ka to exercise, you can start by following this demo we prepared for you. Simple lang to. Let's do it in 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys and girls, always remember ang wellness ay balance ng good nutrition and exercise. So after today, choose to be active. Choose wellness.